Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a customer list in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar, and once you search in the Google Ads it will simply take you to this page. You have to choose the first option from here and it will simply take you to this page. Here you have to simply sign in, or you can just simply go for the start now from here. And then if you once you are signed in, then what you need to do is, after signing in, it will simply take you to this dashboard. What you need to do is simply click on the campaign option from the left hand in the tools option from the left hand side. My bad, it will not be campaign, it will be tools. Just simply click on the tools option from the left hand side, and after that here you will get the option of shared library. Just simply click on the shared library from here. Once you're in the shared library, here you will get the option of audience manager, exclusion list, brand list. You have to simply click on the audience manager, the top option from here. And once you're in the audience manager, here you will get all your data segments. Then here you have to click on the plus icon from the top bar, and once you click on the plus icon you will get the option of the customer list from here. Just simply click on the customer list from here, and once you click on the customer list you have to choose upload a file manually from here. Then there you have to click on the continue. After that it will simply take you to this page. Here you have to simply type in your segment name, the customer type, data type, and upload the file. Then here you have to simply click on save and continue. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.